Greetings of peace and blessings to everyone. Today, we proudly present the 2025 community activities of the Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club, a year marked by service, unity, and brotherhood. Guided by our mission, we continue to soar higher through service. From March to November 2025, our club actively participated in various outreach programs, environmental activities, health initiatives, and brotherhood events that reflect our commitment to the communities we serve.
Where eagles spread to our people, pillars of a nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with self-love, human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're eagles, spread to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with self-love, human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
As we move beyond 2025, our mission remains the same, together as one brotherhood. We will continue soaring higher through service. Thank you, and Mabuhay Ang Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club. Mabuhay Ang Agila.